Welcome aboard, everyone. Please keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle. Stay seated and do not depart until released by a crew member.
All right, I'm gonna go to a car show, Annie and Mary Day Parade. I'll put the flyer up here. But I'm getting this bad boy going. Go meet up with some people and go check it out. This is the worst idea ever.
Why? I mean, it's pretty sick. It's bulletproof.
Welcome aboard, everyone. Please keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle. Stay seated and do not depart until released by a crew member. California Historic Landmark, the Arctic and River Railroad. Foundation of Citizens will be in the war for flying walls. Corporations and one of the names of the oldest railroad in California. One of the first locomotives was the White Horse, and Thank you, Gary.
You're advertising on this railroad. All right, that was a car show. Pretty easy day. I didn't really film too much. I mean, you've seen a fancy car before. Go to the local car show. Check out the cars. That one had a lot of people. The cars were kind of compact, so there's just a lot of people walking through the camera, so I didn't really try to film too much. A lot of cars I've seen before too. Check back previous video. I'll probably put it up here, but I went to a car show or two. Previous video to this one, I think, is about my wheel bearing, and I didn't really finish the video. I was gonna take my wheel bearing to somebody and have them fix it because I thought it was a little bit more in depth, but I had somebody come over and he just hammered them out. We pushed him back in, tapped him back in, that was it. I could have done that, but I was thankful he did it, so I didn't feel like such a dummy. But the spacer, I thought was too short. That's what my rear rim was. It was too short, pushing on the bearings and causing them to fail. The front one had a bunch of goop. I don't even know, like the grease was cooked in it. So it had a hair bit of a space where the bearing couldn't push up against it. I don't know how it got that way. I'm assuming whoever powder coated my rims and put them in there maybe did it. I'm not gonna point the finger, but it seems like that might have been the case. So saying that, the bearings were out too far and they were just being smashed in, so causing them to fail. But it rips now. My bike is pretty mint, runs good, and no more wobble. I was having an issue, I think I was saying a couple videos back, I'll put it here. The freaking thing was making this crazy rattling sound, and I checked every nut and bolt. It also was kind of poofing smoke out of one of the pipes, so I took the top on off one side, checked things, everything's dialed, and I just could not find that sound. It was driving me nuts. I was just checking everything I could think of. I ended up having this band that I kept on the exhaust pipe, and I kept putting my foot on it, and the sound wasn't going away. And I thought it was that. It's a band that was holding the exhaust wrap on that I had on the old pipe, just being lazy. But I think I found the problem. The freaking, whatever you call gremlin bell. I think it's this. I took it off, no more sound. I don't know how it was making such a crazy, it didn't make this sound. It made like a more muffled sound. So I took both those things off and there's no more sound. So I'll probably put this back on just because I should. It came with the bike, I never take them off. No one's ever given me one, so I keep this one on there. A little superstitious, but this thing's pretty ancient. I think I don't even know. It's some sort of material I probably gotta clean to make it look better. But yeah, I got the wheel bearing on there, the sound's gone, and it ripped today. I kinda wanted to go farther, but Too busy bullshitting and hanging out with people. Nothing really coming down the pipe. Just a couple things that I want to do. I want to go to Virginia City, so that'll be a full-on trip. We're not towing this year. We're going to try to actually make a actual trip since my bike's running good. My buddy's bike's not, but we'll probably make a video out of that. And then Shovelhead, I got to make a video on that one too, keep you updated. It's got a lot to update. I got it running, but it's not pumping oil. So stick around, I'll tell you all about it. Yeah, like and subscribe. Leave a comment on whatever you want to. So see you next time.